Good afternoon, my dear students. Today we are going to study the rest of the chapter. I hope you all are doing well. We will enjoy today. There are some songs in today's part. You can sing that with me, and we are going to have a lot of fun. Okay? Now, dear friends, you can see one boy and one girl is there. You can see the heading is dominoes. Do you know dominoes? It is a game. Okay, so you can see Abhinand, Nandana and Unni are back home, and the boy is saying, let's play dominoes. Let's play dominoes. And the girl is saying, in this game, one who scores the least points wins. Okay, so this is the game in which we should get least point, then only we will win. So look at this dominoes and write the points. So there is 3 dominoes. You can see Abhinand, Unni and Nandana have dominoes, and look at the mark got by Abhinand, that is 3 and 5. So 3 plus 5, 8. And look at what points Unni got, 6 and 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. And Nandana got 3, 5, 3, 2. That means 3 plus 5, 8, and 3 plus 2, 5. So 8 plus 5, 13. So Abhinand got 8, Unni got 10 and Nandana got 13 points. Isn't it? Yes. So you can see a question there. Who won the game? Who won the game? We know that the one who get least points win in the game. Okay. So who won the game? Who got less points here? Yes, Abhinand got only 8 points. Others got 10 and 13 points. So Abhinand won the game. Okay. Now look, Abhinand got how many points less than Nandana? So we know that Abhinand got 8 points and Nandana got 13 points. Isn't it? So how many points less than Nandana? If Abhinand get 5 more points, then it will become 13. Isn't it? So to get 13, what should we add to 8? We should add 5. So 8 plus 5, 13. Isn't it? So 5 points more. Now in another way, suppose we take away 8 from 13. So Nandana got 13 and Abhinand got 8. So if we take 8 from 13, that is 13 minus 8, we are getting 5. Then also we get 5. Isn't it? So look the other question. Nandana got how many points more than Unni? Nandana got how many points more than Unni? Nandana got 13 points and Unni got 10 points. How many points more? 3 points more. 10, 11, 12, 13. So 3 points more. What is the difference between Abhinand's and Unni's points? What is the difference between Abhinand's and Unni's points? How many points Abhinand got? 8. And how many points Unni got? 10. So what is the difference between 8 and 10? Only 2. So we will write there 2. Now you can see in the next round Abhinand got 10 points. Abhinand got 10 points. What are the possible dominoes in his hand? Draw dots. So in the first domino you can see there are 9 dots in the left side and 1 dot in the right side. Isn't it? So likewise, how can you arrange the points in other dominoes? Suppose you can write 5 and 5, or you can write 7 and 3. Isn't it? Like that you can write. Okay. Now the next part. Festival at Manjadikara. Festival at Manjadikara. Okay. So in Manjadikara there is going to be a festival. So Nandana looked at the calendar. Nandana is saying today is May 20, Wednesday. So you can see in the calendar May 20 is Wednesday. Okay. Unni is saying festival at the temple is on May 23. So the festival at temple is on May 23. Nandana is saying today is May 20 and Unni is saying festival is at May 23. So which day is May 23? It is Saturday. You can see in the calendar. Okay. So Nandana is saying we go back the Wednesday. We go back the Wednesday. Okay. But school starts only after 4 more days. School starts only after 4 more days. Unni is saying. So now can you say on which date are they going back to town? On which date they are going back to town? You can see Nandana is saying we go back the Wednesday. When is Wednesday? Yeah, you can see on 27. May 27th is Wednesday. You can see that in the calendar. Okay. So Unni is saying but school starts only after 4 more days. So today is May 20. So school will start on June after vacation, isn't it? So after 4 days school will open. Now tell me which dates are Fridays? Write in order. Which days are Fridays? You can see 1, 8, 15, 22 and 29. These days are Friday. Okay. Now look at the next one. Which dates are Saturdays? Write in order. So tell me which days are Saturdays. You can see in the calendar 2nd, 9th, 16th, 23rd and 30th. These days are Saturdays, isn't it? Okay. So what's the relation between these dates? So now you know that after every Friday, Saturday comes. After 1st, then 2nd, isn't it? After 8th, that is Friday, then comes 9th, that is Saturday. After 15th, that is Friday, then comes 16th, that is Saturday. And in the case of Fridays, after each Friday, the other Friday comes after 7 days. So first Friday is on first date. Okay. And the next Friday, when is it? It's on 8th. So after 7 days. After 7 days, again Friday came. Okay. Then look the next one. After 8th, the Friday is on 15th. After 7 days, again Friday came. Okay. Likewise, we can say the relation. Okay. So in the next day, you can see in the picture Abhinand, Nandana and Unni went for the festival. Okay, so the day is festival day. Now you can see a festival band. Okay, they are going to sing a song. Okay, now I am going to sing the song. Everyone sing with me. Okay. So many sights to see, so many sounds to hear. Trumpet 7, beep beep beep. Drummers 8, dum dum dum. Cymbal 5, neem neem neem. Several sounds in harmony. Great is the band in unity. Did you like the song? Okay. Now dears, look at the question. How many in the band in all? So tell me how many trumpeters are there? There is 7. Isn't it? Trumpeters 7. P, P, P. So 7 trumpeters are there. How many drummers? 8. 8 drummers. How many cymbalists? 5 cymbalists. And total? Tell me how many band in all? Tell me. Trumpeters 7, drummers 8 and cymbalists 5. Okay? So 7 plus 8 plus 5. 20. 20 band in all. Isn't it? Okay. Now dear friends, you can see so many umbrellas in the picture. They are ornamental umbrellas. Okay, you can see these umbrellas when you go at the festival. Okay, so people lined up carrying ornamental umbrellas. How beautiful! Abhinand and Nandana stood staring at them. Okay, so look at the figure, look at the picture. How many of small umbrellas? You all want to count the umbrellas and write in that column how many small umbrellas. Then write in the next column how many green umbrellas. In the next how many red umbrellas. And you want to write which is more and how much more. Which is more, whether it is green or red. Okay, and how much more. Okay. Now my dear students, look at the next picture. Festival market. So this is a market and you can see some toys are there. Okay, what are the toys? Balloon, ball, car, doll and whistle. Okay, these are the toys that are available at the market. Now you can see there, for each toy there is price. So for each one you can see in the table there is the price of the toys. Okay, so the price of balloon is 5, the price of ball is 20, the price of car is 16 and price of doll is 15 and price of whistle is 6. Okay, now look at the questions. Abhinand bought a balloon and a ball. How many rupees? So what did Abhinand buy? Abhinand bought a balloon and a ball. How much is for balloon? 5 rupees. How much is for ball? 20 rupees. So Abhinand want to give the shopkeeper 20 plus 5. That is 25 rupees. Isn't it? Okay. So now Abhinand gave 3 10 rupee notes. How much would he get back? So Abhinand gave 3 10 rupees. That means 10, 10, 10. That is 30 rupees to the shopkeeper. Okay. So how much would he get back? Abhinand only bought balloon and ball. The price of balloon and ball is 25. He gave 30 rupees to the shopkeeper. So he will get 5 rupees back. Isn't it? He will get 5 rupees back. Now, Unni bought toys for 21 rupees. What is the price of each? So, Unni bought toys for 21 rupees. Which toy Unni bought? Tell me. Which will be the toys Unni bought? Maybe Unni bought a car and a balloon. So it will be 16 plus 5, that is 21. Or he can buy a doll and a whistle. A doll and a whistle. That is 15 plus 6, it is also 21. Isn't it? So you can write anything in that column. Now the next one. Which are the 2 toys you like among these? How much do you need to buy them? So tell me which toys you like. I will tell the toys I like. Okay? I like balloon and whistle. Okay? So how much do I need to give the shopkeeper? 5 rupees is for balloon and 6 rupees for whistle. So 5 plus 6, 11. So I will give 11 rupees to the shopkeeper. Now look at the other question. Nandana has 20 rupees with her. 20 rupees with her. Okay. What are the prices of the toys Nandana can buy? Nandana can buy a doll and a balloon. A doll and a balloon. That is 15 plus 5. It is 20. Isn't it? Okay. So my dear students, we did a lot of activities today. Isn't it? So you all want to do that activity once more. Write all that in your notebook, and if you have textbook, you can write that in the textbook. Okay? So this is for today. We will meet in the next week. Okay? Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.